Digital housekeeping and common sense safety. Digital reference materials. Sometimes you just need help figuring something out. YouTube tutorials can be very helpful. They're like watching someone show you how to do something in real life. They can help, but only if you actually follow along. Google or AI is like asking a group of people for advice. Some know what they're talking about, and some don't. So it's up to you to decide what's trustworthy. Your English 1010 and 1020 classes will teach you how to tell if a source is trustworthy or not. When you organize your space, maintain it, protect it, and use the right tools, technology becomes something you control, not something that controls you. Your computer and your phone aren't complicated. They're just spaces you haven't learned how to manage yet. And if you need step-by-step help later, you can always visit the NSCC Service Desk Knowledge Base or the Office of Online Learning YouTube channel for detailed how-to guides and tutorials.